My people, how na day? My name na AU David. Aramialu one, Yagudu Yoli, or Gadagu himself. They say that respect na may foul the bedan when he read the mouth. Not discuss say foul it all. Now waiting dog do for where yam day. Now make them the pursue dog for where yam day. Today we have a bogus news. As I see this news, co enter my body. She catch me because what I see for here, God will have mercy on Nigeria. God, I beg, please forgive Nigeria. Please forgive Nigeria. What I see for here, God will have mercy on Nigeria. God, I beg, God, please, I beg you, please forgive Nigeria. Forgive Nigeria for this news when I want to talk so. I beg, forgive Nigeria because of some of us where we say we know they do. Forgive Nigeria. Okay. This woman, Mrs. Hauwa Shekarau, this woman, na reproductive health expert. Now still be executive director of Women Law and Development Initiative. This woman don't come out. It can't give us calculation of people when it be say they carry dagger, carry knife, carry gun, carry this thing, take kiki. People when we don't even see. They call her abortion. All those children when they don't prepare, they don't ready. They say that they call this word. Some of them now are lawyers. So some of them supposed to be doctors. Some of them supposed to be a banker. A teacher, actor, even some of them for inside they supposed to they talk news as they talk and so. Many of them are supposed to be the next governor, the next president of the country. That they prepare, say that they call this life. The mother when he carry her or the father when he put her for there, they can't get disagreement or they not agree say make these children come. They can't say no, you must abort her. This woman can't give us the calculation of people when he be say he did record for 2019 say they do abortion. That is the children when they kill. He can't say for record when they hospital, the one when it happen for inside hospital now 2.8 million abortion. The one will be say daughter Kenyon, will be say daughter daughter say you not go come this life. The one will be say daughter they cut short. 2.8 million now is supposed come life when daughter stop say make they not come. It can still talk and say the one when they come see by themselves see use eye corner eye tell look for the society say these people not come. Hospital say now 760 people 760 nine the key nine they still abort 760 nine take concussion they will miss idocid paracetamol una know wetin una dey miss me I just talk my own una know wetin una dey miss you come miss kind and gbogbo nse come miss all those miss journal they come drink am. Then the thing they compensate away. Pikino say that one now 760 people. You dey hear her? You dey hear her? All together now 3.5. Altogether 3.5 million people. When you supposed to call this life, then they key, they cut her short, they don't let her come. That one a calculation when he feed do the one when he be say neighbor to neighbor, when he be say my friend go just say I don't want me my papa here. I don't want me my papa here because my papa here, papa will kill me. I beg I go do now. Kechi, I beg just give me Veronica will come say okay. I know waiting Patricia used the other time. Make I just give you the thing that can't give her, you can't take. That one you can come piece out away. when these people they don't know, they don't catch a journal. The one when be say they can't take the thing for inside village, all those things. Can't be say the thing don't walk away, they can't die, they can't pay me, they don't all those one, they don't join this one. This one are the one when be say they see the record when they get. Now this one I be the people when they key when they don't let make they call this life. Now me come dey think am for my own. See, we dey talk about the one when they key. That means 3.5 million womb were tampered with. 3.5 million womb were tampered with that same year. That means some of our guests now, many of them, now one corner eye, now they tell they look there now. So we don't they leak now, we don't know. That means the one when be say these people, go to the call them, those people when be say that they collect money when not be their own. They will talk to you, then you will come give them money, they will promise you, give them money, they will come tiffer. What do they call them? Make you Yahoo boys, Yahoo. The one when be say Yahoo, thief their pants remain. So they work out by themselves, go to hospital, tell doctor, say, doctor, touch my womb. Where will they go? This is immorality in civilization. Hey! This is the reason why, first of all, pray just not say, God, I beg, forgive Nigeria. Because this blood, this innocent blood, they cry. Then they cry now, they cry to God. Say, God, why did not allow me come? So when he be said they want to better the country, why did not allow me come? Then they cry to God. God, please have mercy. Have mercy on Nigeria. My people, how now see a good maybe say small picking when not reach to born, when not reach to carry baby. You go the waka whatever. Because for me, I go say make them zip up, make them not do wetin married women they do if they never ready to bring the result come life. Make them first of all first zip up, because this one when be say see the number of people when do abortion for 1 year, the thing it shortalize me. So my people, how now see this one? May you still write your advice, talk your own, so that we will know how to advise our people. Say what thing they happen. We always dey talk am, in case you never subscribe, still press the subscribe button so that the news you will get as it they come. You when don't subscribe, God bless you, and God will continue to bless you. Amen.